Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize chain of title reports on ATTOM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the ATTOM website. Log into your ATTOM account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the chain of title section in the main menu. Click on chain of title to access the report options. Now, select the property for which you want to authorize the chain of title report. Input the property address into the search bar and hit enter. Review the search results carefully. Choose the correct property listing from the results displayed. You will see an option to authorize report on the property details page. Click on Authorize Report to proceed. A form will appear requesting necessary information for authorization. Fill in the required fields accurately, ensuring all details are correct. Review your inputs for any errors before submission. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to authorize the report. You will receive a confirmation message once the report is successfully authorized. Check your email for a notification regarding the authorization. You can now access the authorized chain of title report from your dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized a chain of title report on ATTOM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.